What's up, YouTubers? PatMFVC channel, and I'm here with my mechanic again today, Ari, and she's instructed or informed me that it's time to change my air filter, the engine air filter, air cleaner, whatever you want to call it. It's all the same. So first, Ari's gonna undo the air intake from over top the battery. So we can access where the air cleaner housing is. So now she's got her ratchet and her 10mm socket, 10mm socket. Oop, busting knuckles on the top of the air cleaner box. She's gonna remove that bracket so we can take out the screws holding the top of the air cleaner in. Now she's moved on to these Phillips head screws that hold the top of the air cleaner box on. Now the 5th and 6th screw that hold down the top of this air cleaner lid are kind of back towards the engine firewall and a little difficult to get to. The one that is located over here can be removed with a Phillips head screwdriver, or you can use an 8mm socket if you have an angle bit that can get back in there. And then on the other side, this one, I suggest you use that 8mm socket. Now that we've got all the fasteners out, she's going to remove the top of the lid. And there is the engine air cleaner. Yeah. Got some soldiers sacrificed on the field of battle. Now you're just going to grab the top side of your air filter here, and you're just going to pull it up. Now for the 2015 Jeep Patriot with the 4-cylinder 2-liter engine, Jeep recommends that the engine air cleaner filter be replaced at about 48,000 miles. Our mechanic has chosen the Purolator 1 A16168 air filter. I see Ari's just placing it back over the hose, making sure it's on there tight. Now she's going to put the air cleaner housing lid back on and fasten it back down with those 6 Phillips head screws. Now that we got the air cleaner top back on, Ari's going to pivot that little stabilizer bracket back over the fastener hole. She's going to put that and now we're ready to button this thing up by putting the air intake back into the box, the air cleaner box. Just going to push that down, and we're going to give both of the little fasteners a 1/4 turn. And there you have it, folks. Change your air cleaner. Thank you, Ari. Best mechanic ever.
Noise!